Hey guys, Jeff Cheesehead Flipper here. So I'm pretty much in the last days of my current eBay cave. It is right now about half disassembled and moved, about half it still has to be moved yet. And it's it's a mess. The new cave is going to be a lot nicer, a little bit bigger. I think I'm going to like it pretty good. Overall, the whole home for us will be better, so that's a big bonus. But more getting back to the point. I recently had someone send me a message and ask me if I thought they should niche down to one specific topic for reselling, or if they should just continue to sell general whatever they find. And, well, that's a complicated question. Because, you know, if you sell random everything, that opens you up to so much inventory that you can be very capitalistic on, take advantage of whatever you find. If you get down to a real niche category, you have to not only be able to reliably source that category wherever you're at, where you can actually make a living off it. And you have to be able to somehow position yourself in that market that makes sense for you to limit yourself to just one category. Now, perhaps you can get to the point where you become a go-to for people for certain products. It's not easy to do, but it can be done. And also, if you have a specialized knowledge where you know more than pretty much anyone on something, and you can market that, you can take that, make that advantage, where you can then find more product and sell it for a better price because of your knowledge, then maybe, yeah, maybe. But and also, in general, I think, especially if you're selling like on eBay or Amazon, people are searching for a product. They're not searching for a seller or a store. Like if I'm going to buy, let's say, well, can't see an example around me over here, but shoes. If I was looking for a new pair of shoes, I already decided what I'm buying. I'm just going to type in for that shoe, look for the best price, I'm buying it. That's it. Now, that means maybe I'll be buying from someone who's niche into shoes. Maybe I won't. I don't really care. I don't care what else they're selling at all. No big deal. But then again, I buy these cardboard boxes that I use a lot for one of my products I sell a ton of, which is kind of a sub-niche for me. Yeah, I go to someone who runs a packing supply business. And that's all they do, as far as I know anyways. Because they have niched down to the point where I go for this product, I know I always go to the same source. And I get it from them. Whatever size I need for my boxes, I get it from the same source, generally. Which is, you know, maybe I should be looking a little bit elsewhere, but they've always had the sizes I need, and it works good. So for them, niching down really works because they're able to, in that niche, make a full-time income. Like they're able to run a full business off of boxes and poly mailers and shipping supplies. But if you're not like you want to niche down to just shoes, do you have a market where you can buy enough of that shoe? Do you have enough particular knowledge of shoes where you can find more, you know, value than others could? Do you know how to repair and fix shoes? Or whatever other shoes are the widget in this category, in this topic. But, you know, maybe. But what you could do is if you do have that knowledge, but maybe you don't have the supply for that to niche down into just shoes, you can be like me, a seller who sells just about whatever they can find. But that helps you find more shoes that you can sell. And maybe shoes are a big focus, but not maybe a niche category. I hope this is kind of making sense. Because, well, I'm in the middle of a move, so I'm a little bit tired and a little bit over-caffeinated. Well, anyways, do you guys sell in general, just general goods? Or do any of you get down to one niche category? If you do have a single niche category, tell me below, what is it? Why you picked it? And are you happy with that? And, you know, do you think that has helped you increase your business? Or do you think you have now missed out on some stuff? because you're only looking for your niche category. All right, well, I better get back to moving because there's a lot to go and we have 3 days left to get out of here. All right, you guys have a great day. You keep on listening, keep on selling, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.